What is good, Blue Jays fans? I gotta say, ever since Lenyn Sosa made his debut after we traded him, he's had now 93 plate appearances without a walk, swings at everything or doesn't swing at a pitch that he can hit. His at bats have largely been uncompetitive. How is that possible? Well, 53.1% of the time, he chases pitches out of the zone where he really shouldn't be swinging. Meanwhile, ranks in the first percentile among qualified hitters. He's getting himself out more often than not. He hasn't provided the same numbers that he had with the White Sox, and that is a fucking problem.